a little tool review to help me break down my big sheet goods since they're hard to carry around by myself. I decided to invest in a little track saw. So my only use for it is to break it down a little bit so it's a little more easy to manage to run through my table saw. So it's a budget-friendly model. This is the 13 amp WEN track saw that came out last year. Didn't really have high expectations. It just hopefully was going to cut through the wood, otherwise I was just going to return it. So anyway, I've been using it a couple months and it's actually built pretty well. I bought it based on the power and the features that it has, which were very comparable to Makita. I'm not going to try to say it's as good as Makita or anything like that. I don't know, but it's definitely surpassed my expectations. Nice clean cuts with just the stock blade. I actually ordered a Diablo blade. It was a high tooth count. I didn't really read the specs on this one, and I got a lower tooth count than it came with it. So that blade was actually trash. So I put back on the stock blade, and it's working pretty decent, which is surprising. So I did read before I got the saw though that the tracks were compatible with Powertec and their tracks were supposedly better. Again, I had not used the WEN tracks, so I don't know if those were good or not, but I decided to go ahead and get the Powertec tracks. The combo was about $300. It's pretty sick. So anyway, it's working a lot better than I expected. However, it's really kind of inefficient with the measuring the 2 points and cutting it, and I've got to do that twice per sheet just so I can start using my table saw. Honestly, I was still using my table saw, so I was looking for something else. So I started looking into parallel guides for the track saw, and those were coming in at about $190, and then you still have to buy the some rails for them to fit. So it was definitely well over 200 bucks. So I ran across Toolcurve. I've been talking to them a little while, and honestly, their products look amazing. I just got these in, and they are just super clean looking. Anyway, so we're gonna try them out. The idea here is I'm gonna get an Incra Super T-Track Plus, and they just slide on the end, and then just kind of tighten down. And then you're gonna have a measuring tape in that, and then in the track, there's also gonna be like a little stop. So this is like adjusting the track. So what I do is I actually am going to set the measurement on the track and then just slap it onto the wood, and allegedly I don't have to measure, and it's going to be pretty accurate every single time. So what I'm going to try to do is an 11 7/8. All right, it's as easy as that. I bought some Incra T-Track Pluses. Just slid those right on, straight out of the box. It works great. Just slides in. They've got these convenient thumb screws, so I don't have to use tools. So it's already set up, and now I just slide it on to my T-Track. Nope, slide it on my track saw. All right, so that's set up. So now all I do is just set it down, slide it up against those stops. We're good to go. So let's see how this thing works. All right, so as you can see, the dust collection on the track saw is really not too bad. I thought that was bad, and then I disconnected the hose once, and not doing that again just to show it off, but not bad at all. These cuts are super clean. Got no burning there at all. And so honestly, the track works great, track saw works great. Wherever my tape measure is, I will get a measurement, find out how these parallel guides work. So we're looking right at 11 7/8. 11 7/8. Yeah. All right. So honestly, I don't know. The saw exceeded my expectations. The track, honestly, I had no expectations. So yeah, Powertec. But the Toolcurve stock guides, thought that was a little bit of a reckless purchase, but it ended up being quite legit. Just super easy to set up, super precise, and I don't know, that has definitely made it where I'm going to use my track saw now. So I would highly suggest those parallel guides. All right, enjoy it.